Tonight, the wildfires in Southern California are still burning out of control. A fourth wildfire sparked tonight, already scorching thousands of acres. Entire neighborhoods like this one in Pacific Palisades have been destroyed. So far, 5 people have been killed. 180,000 more are under evacuation orders, and at least 10,000 buildings have burned to the ground. ABC's Alex Stone has a closer look at the destruction.
The number of dead here has been going up, but firefighters say they will not know how many people are dead until they can get cadaver dogs into these buildings to know who was in the buildings as the fire came through. You can see it is block after block like this. This was a chiropractor's office, but it is homes, it is businesses, one after another. All that remains is gray ash with these buildings that have burned down to the ground. There are so many evacuees on this fire and the one in Pacific Palisades waiting to get home, telling us that they want word on their homes.
It's really scary when you can see the flames coming up over the houses 2 blocks away. You can barely see 5 feet in front of you. It's like Armageddon.
We've seen a lot of help coming in from firefighters coming from hundreds of miles away that they have driven here. There is more coming, and the federal government saying that it will pay 100% of the cost of the firefighting. President Biden saying that will last for 180 days as more resources, more aircraft come in as well. There is a warning here from Sheriff Robert Luna of those who have been caught, almost 24 people now, allegedly looting the homes and buildings. The sheriff saying that is not going to be allowed.
That is unacceptable behavior. Having additional resources, having the National Guard with us, which will augment those resources, will help send a stronger message, keep people out of the impacted areas so we don't continuously victimize the people who have already been victimized.
On Thursday, the winds here were relatively calm, at least in Altadena. Up in the mountains, not so much, where still the fire was raging. The concern now is a new round of Santa Ana winds coming in during these overnight hours that could kick up the flames again. Alex Stone, ABC News, Altadena, California.